no government kati Bobi Wine wagenze UK no wagira Ebisiyaga no ati gwe tobinako buzibu wango oli mutuufu. Bobi Wine went to the UK after 10 years of ban nagati Ebisiyaga abantu beriye Bobi Wine nange munange ndikusaidiyo nze sibyogerako sinaganyema visa era speaker yabadde mu parliament n'agamba nti etteeka ly'Ebisiyaga terijja kyuka so munnaye nange principle nkumanyi yaza abasiyazi sibayinaako buzibu sinaganyema visa junior mweyanga man I have to travel ekintu ky'Ebisiyaga sikyogerako. I don't talk about it. I don't support. At the same time I don't refuse. Njagala visa bwendwala kansa ndeka Anita Among speaker ye yagaggawala dda nze abazungu bantere mu try after 10 years. I don't debate by the way ebintu muzungu mukambwe nnyo era oba oli eyo ng'owulira mwagala genda mwegule buutu you go. After all the anus is yours. How can I dictate on your own anus? Am I God? It's God who gave you your anus. So whether you use it for what, I have no issue. As long as you don't open mine. Now if you want to go and they open your own opening. How does that concern me? It's your anus. Whether whether you use it for what, that's not my battle. That's not my war to fight. So no lwecho nze today onogambo junior I know buzibu kubasiyazi. I don't debate some topics ezimu ziri sensitive. Nkere wanondwale nga kidini njija bulletin bangambe kwemba se try after 10 years. No, because of people's anuses. Visa because of an anus. No, let people use the anuses the way they want. I have no issue as long as you don't open mine.